Do you have a heating or air conditioning issue at your home or business? At Northeast Heating and Cooling, we service, repair, and install HVAC systems that not only meet your needs, but also stay within your budget. As a NATE certified company, we have the knowledge, expertise, and experience to handle any HVAC repair or installation job. And as a certified Trane comfort specialist, we also have the latest cutting-edge Trane products to deliver you clean, comfortable air with increased energy efficiency. Schedule your free comfort consultation today. Call us at 800-691-0122 or visit our website at www.northeasthc.com.